So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'll teach you the difference between section breaks and page breaks in Microsoft Word and how to use them correctly. So this will seriously level up your formatting skills. So here I have a document that I've opened in my Word document. For you to use the page break is fast. Simply, it moves the content that follows to the next page, and it also you can use this when you want to start a new page without hitting enter repeatedly on your keyboard. So let's say, for example, this is the first page, and the table of content I want it to be on the next page. And let me take this back here so that I can demonstrate to you. So if I want this abstract to go to the next page, I don't need to go ahead and start clicking enter every time. What I do, I will just go to this section, then click on insert. Then once I click on insert, this ribbon will pop up. So I have this section that says page break. So if I click on page break like this, the abstract will immediately go to the next page, and this page will be there. So that is how you can use your page break. Very simple. Let me undo this so that I show you how to do that. So once you find out that the abstract will be on its own page, then starting from introduction of your document will be on the next page. So let's say, for example, you want this information to go to the next page. You just put there your cursor, then go to page break, click on it, then immediately this information will go to the next page. Then for you to see that this paper has page breaks in it, you go back to the home tab, then you click on this icon here that looks like an inverted line. So once you click on it, then it gives you these sections, so it can show the page break, the sections that have the page breaks in them. Like this has the page break. Then going to the next, it also has the page break there. Then you can see the areas that you have the page break in your document. Let me just undo this so that because I've already inserted the page breaks in there. So if you want to make sure that every content is on its own page, you use page break to do that. Now, the next thing that I want us to do, I want you to learn, is what we call the section break. So the section breaks divides your document into sections. So each section can have its own formatting, like different headers, footers, page numbers, or orientation. So for you to do that, you will go up here in the tabs. Then you can check in your tabs up here to find the section break, so that once you find your section break up here, you will come and insert the section break, so that the number here, like let's say for example you want to name this document, and I don't want the number to appear on this section, the first page, which is the cover page. I don't want the number to appear there, but I want to start numbering my document from this section. Let me show you how to do that. So you will come and put your cursor here down on the next page. Then you go to this section, this tab that says layout. Then there is this that says breaks. Click on the launch button. Then you can click on the next page. So once you click on the next page, you put a section break immediately here. Let me undo so that I use something like this one, the abstract. So I'll go ahead and put the next page like that. Then immediately up here we'll have the page break and the section break. Then I can also go ahead and put a section break here on this page. So we can just let me write this down here. Click enter. Then let's say for example I take this to the next page by using the page break, like go insert page break. So then I will put a section break, layout, go to section break, next, like that. Then up here I will have a section break. Then I will want to start naming this document. I will double click down here to put the headers and the footers. What I will do is, if I want my numbers to start from here, I'll go ahead and format the numbers. So I'll use, like, for example, I want something like let's format the first page, that has the table of content and the abstract have the numbers, like for example the Roman numerals. So I will click on format, so I can choose the number format like this one, then start from this. So that is the place where I want to start, then click OK. Then I'll come here and unclick this link to previous. Once I click on it, so it will start from here, but the previous number will not be there. So what I will do, my cursor is here, I'll go ahead and put the numbers. So at the bottom, I will select this section that says bottom of the page. Then I'll select the plain number 2. Once I click on it, number 1 will start from here. Then you realize on the first page I don't have a number. Then it will go down. This is the first, the second, then up to the abstract section. So here I can easily also link it up and say this is the second, this is the third one. So you can go ahead and change. You can also unlink from the previous and all that. So once you click on this like this, here you have different Roman numerals. Then here on this section, you can start a different numbering. You can also click on it like that, then undo that. Then you go back to numbers formatting, take it back, then that's number 1. Numbers formatting, take it back, then start number 1 here, then click OK. So starting from here, it will go down like that. And so that is how simple it is. So make sure you practice with it so that you can put the page breaks and the section breaks to your document in the correct way. And that is it. Now you have known how to use the page breaks and section breaks the right way. So if this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comment section below. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.